Weather Service in Missoula has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Idaho County and central Idaho until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:57 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing hail up to 1 inch in diameter. This storm was located near East Cambyi, or about near Cambyi, and was moving east at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include East Cambyi, Glenwood, Kulski, Lowell, and Fringa. Damaging winds are likely with this severe thunderstorm. Large hail is possible, along with frequent lightning and heavy rain. For your protection, go indoors and stay away from windows. If you are caught outside, move to a well-protected area. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county, Idaho. This is